Mockers.
Oh, thank you.
Would you like anything else on the menu? How are you, Harry?
What's wrong?
So depressed.
One nuts.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, real good.
What about you and Lily? Where is she?
Lily.
What a downer.
What's wrong with him?
You need to tell me what's wrong.
Why would something be wrong? Nothing's wrong.
With us? Because there is. You are so cut off and in your own...
Look, just back off.
I'm just trying to help you and be there for you, and you are pushing me away.
Then don't. Don't help.
Harry! Harry!
Harry.
Yeah, we're good. Real good.
And you're okay?
Yeah, of course. Why wouldn't I be?
Sweet. See you around.
See ya. We keep winding in on ourselves. Until we break.
Are you trying to leave me? Not me.
You can. I didn't think you would.
You look really tired.
Yeah, I haven't been sleeping much lately.
I told you I'd always be there for you. But I can't. If you're not going to tell me what's wrong.
There's nothing to tell.
I've shared everything with you. It just seems like you don't trust me anymore.
Nah, that's not true.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, look, you keep acting like I'm holding something back. Like I got this big secret. If you don't like what you see, then...
Are you serious? Yeah, you're right. I shouldn't have come.
No, Lily. Please. Stay.